Hi, welcome to my channel Cloud with Girish. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Data Center AI Buddy to get answers to your data center technology related questions. If you are working in cloud technology, likely scenario is that you will run into some infrastructure and data center related discussions. Even if your primary work area is focused on application development, at times you will hear the term like UCS blades, block storage, serverless, data center, mainframe, and more. In not so recent past, one of the options to learn about these technical components has been a Google search that can generate a lot of content that you need to browse and pick. Not anymore. AWS AI is here to rescue. PartyRock is AWS powered and provided AI platform that abstracts the LLM model from you. It's a no-code platform. You pick the widgets, configure the LLM you want to use, and you will have an AI assistant app ready in minutes. Recently, I have been engaged with a data center migration program. During the course of this program, many infrastructure components are set up in the compute, storage, network, and mainframe area. Often I wondered that it will be nice to have an assistant tutor who can explain some infra components with friendly explanation along with images. PartyRock provided the platform to create an AI-assisted data center tutor buddy. Data Center AI Buddy makes it fun to ask data center related questions. It provides simple explanation for the technical component. You can ask broad questions like what is a data center, or you can ask more specific questions like what is a mainframe, or what is a UCS, or what is a pure storage, etc. I built it using PartyRock. Four key components. It has text area to ask question. It has an AI assisted response using Cloud Instant AI model. It has an image generator using Stable Diffusion model. It has a chat bot for interactive chat for data center related question. We will look at these four key components of Data Center AI Buddy. Let's look at our business use case. Business use case is to build a data center buddy that uses generative AI technology to provide answers to complex technical questions around data centers and cloud. There is no prereq, no coding experience required. Just bring your curiosity and idea and build using PartyRock. Here is how Data Center AI Buddy looks. You have a text area, you have an AI generated answers, you also have models which are supporting the image generation as well as chatbot. Let's look at it one by one. So first, it has a text area to ask a question. So this is the area where you can post a question. You can ask what is a data center, you can ask what is your application, what is Hitachi storage. You can even ask some cloud related questions like what is an S3 storage or what is EBS storage. So you can ask really any technology question here. This is the area where you will get a detailed answer about the question you have asked. This is an AI generated response, and it is using a cloud instant AI model. That's the LLM behind the scene that's working and based on your prompt, providing the response, which is getting shown here. Another area, this is using a different LLM model. It's called Stable Diffusion, and this one is generating the images based on the prompt that you have provided. And at the end, there is a chatbot also. So you can ask question and then you can actually have an interactive chat. This is a chatbot. You can keep asking question and it will keep providing you answers to your question. There is no code to review. It's a no code platform. So you just pick your widget, put your prompts, and you will have your app ready in minutes. PartyRock AI platform made it really easy to develop the data center AI buddy since no coding was involved. If PartyRock platform was not available, then an alternate approach would have been using AWS Bedrock service. Few architecture consideration would have been selecting the models to be involved, coding for a Lambda function, implementing a REST API using AWS API gateway, and then invoking it based on the user request. A UI using HTML, React, or similar UI look would have needed to be developed to present user a friendly UI integrated via microservices API utilizing other AWS services. A simple architecture would have been similar to as shown below. We have a user invoking the API, providing the prompt, which is getting fed into a Lambda function. Lambda function is processing the prompt and invoking the Bedrock API, which is then invoking an underlying foundation model and providing the response back, as well as logging in the CloudWatch log. Certainly not a solution as easy as creating this app in PartyRock platform. PartyRock platform is really awesome and provides you a quick way to play around with the generative AI ideas. Here is the link to the Data Center AI Buddy. Start exploring and find answer to your data center questions. You can click the link or you can scan this QR code. Let's see it in action. Let's see Data Center AI Buddy in action. As you can see that this has like all the sections that we just reviewed, and you can ask a variety of questions here. So let's start with a simple question. What is a data center? You will see that there is a good explanation. Also, there are images of the data center provided. We can change our question and we can say, okay, what is a mainframe? And it's going to take a few seconds because it's invoking the API and getting the response back from the foundation model. And now you see that you have a really good explanation of like what is a mainframe, what are the common use case. You have a chatbot that you can engage with. You have images. We can yet change our question to another component, and we can say what is a Hitachi storage, and again give it like few seconds to go to the foundation model and then confirm that. Let's see. All right, so let's see that we are getting our answer for the Hitachi storage, and it's still generating the image. We can change it to a cloud storage question. So let's see what is S3 storage, and you can ask question for the traditional data center. You can ask for the cloud technology S3 storage. So this is a very simple generative AI example that what is capable of, and you have a chatbot. You can engage with the chatbot here. You can ask questions. So that's really like how the AI data center can be your one place to ask your data center related question. This was just one example of how you can use PartyRock to create no-code generative AI app using AWS platform. You can use your imagination to create the app in minutes without any code using the platform. I'm working on some other interesting content on various AWS topics. These will be posted soon. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.